Hi everyone. Actually, there's so much videos on internet about 18650 battery, but this thing I want to tell you the best battery in 2025-2026. The best battery. The simple is the one theory: the more cycle, more durability, and perfect amps. So in 18650, I tested a lot of batteries. I have a lot of batteries, and I even LiFePo also. But LiFePo, if you go to the LiFePo, I mean that is another stuff because LiFePo have 2000, 3000. I mean they have a lot of higher cycles. But here I want to tell you just Leon batteries. The normal Leon batteries, like lithium batteries, are a little bit different. But okay, this one 18. If you see, let me see another one. Okay, yeah, here is the Eve battery. If you can search on internet, Eve battery are the best so far, very good reputable company, and they have a really good cycle in currently, and they are actually using already in the electric cars and electric bike, mostly electric car. Also they use Eve battery. The reason is electric car need a high discharge and long the durability and long lasting. So if you have 1000 cycle or more than 1000 cycle is considered okay, but if normally battery have a 300 to 400 cycle, 500 is maximum used to be. But 1865, if you want looking for 18650, because there's, I don't know, in this size I have LiFePo, maybe there's a LiFePo batteries also, but mostly 18650 batteries are 300 to 400. For example, this is LG. This one is LG battery. If you can see the number, original LG battery, and this is a 3200 milliamp battery. I hope you can see here. No, there's no mention here, but this is 3200 milliamp as I remember. That one have a 500 cycle, 300 to 500 cycle. Even this is LG, and many people they're thinking Samsung. Like Samsung, there's a lot of pink batteries, like this color purple is a Samsung mostly, but this one is just the China. One thing, if you want to see the battery original or not, many people they have this question. Like for example here, if you see here, I am charging the battery here, and here you can see the battery right here. You can see, okay, ohm. This is how many milliamp already gone inside the battery since charging, and here is the charging speed, 3735 milliamp, and this is the ohm. So here you can see I use the meter, and so I know that. But many people they don't have this kind of charger because it's quite expensive and they are not professional. So for that I will just tell you, like, this is for me, this is, if you can research simple Eve battery, this is the best battery for 2026, 18650. Why? This is a 1000 cycle lifespan, 5 to easily 5 years or more, and 1000 cycle to reach battery to 75 to 80%. So 1000 cycle is a lot. I mean every day if you use battery, mostly many people don't use it, but if 365 days you can check, like it's more than 3 years. But actually if you use like normally it's more to 7 to 8 years. And the price is, if you buy in the bulk, might be in 2026 you can get it like $1 in the bulk. But if you get it like 2 batteries, 3 batteries, open one, might be you can get it just like $1.20, $1.30. I don't know, in the US might be you can get it because of taxes like $2 something, but I think it's worth it. So if you're looking for the best battery, okay, I want to show you. If you don't have this kind of meter, what you can do, the one thing is the real weight. You can test the weight. Here's the scale, and this scale is quite accurate. Okay, I will give you the example about that. I will let you see, like there is a 23 gram sachet for the tea. For example, I on it, exactly 23, actually 23, let me put it again. It's 23, just slightly up and down, but here you can see 23 gram, but maybe the wrapping is like a 1 gram, so actually it's almost 23 or 24, slightly there is a few. So my meter, the weight machine is accurate. You can see like 23 or 24, but actually 23 is stop on 23, but sometime might be a little pressure on the milligram. So now we check the China batteries first. Here's some cheap batteries. If you see, the weight is 42 gram. This is a cheap China battery. Even you cannot see any much, the logo is there, but actually it's not a, it's like a fake battery. Okay, then here's another battery. I also believe this is fake, 44 gram, but yeah, it was 2000 milliamp last time, but now last time I checked it's 1000 something milliamp left. But this is the original batteries from Eve. If you check the weight, 42, okay, here you can see 45 gram, 45 plus minus actually. And here's another Eve. If you see, the batteries are same but slightly the color. I'm going to open this one to show you another battery here. Okay, if you see, this color is slightly dark. This also Eve battery, and this is a different seller, and 44, 45, 44. Okay, see, this is light color, slightly big, 45. You see, I doubt about that battery might be near to fake, because these batteries come out from the power bank, from the electric car, so they just resell it and they say the battery health is more than 90%, so they give me like less than like 50 cents. So I believe that because it's come out, it's already used one, and I believe that is the right one. But this one a new one, so I feel doubt, but I think there's a slightly, the plastic lamination might be color up and down, but actually the company is quite big. I don't think so the color should be. But here you can see it's 44, and actually the real EV battery is 45 plus 2 gram, plus minus 2 gram, like can be 46 or might be 40, 44 to 46. So here's exactly, you can see these batteries are, and here is LG. This is original battery also, 46. 45 plus, all batteries are real. If less than 43, your battery most probably not real. So here you see the LG battery. If you don't have the meter, then I can give you just little idea. 46 gram. Another battery, still 46 gram, right? Here you can see 45 to going to be 46 actually. Right here, same. And here is 44. So I think still they say 45 plus minus 1 gram, so considerable might be right also. So but I can bring out the another one, the dark one. I order the 2 dark and 4 light one. The used one I order 4 because it's quite cheaper, more cheaper, like a 50 cent. This one I ordered only 2 to test. So okay, this is the same. The guy, he put the capacity here, I think he tested already, but actually it was wrong. So 44 gram here, and another same kind of battery, 45 gram. So far, if you see these batteries and these batteries, both are Eve battery. Even there's a one battery, they have a different kind of logo also. If you see, there's a color difference. Both are Eve, but might be possibility. I don't say this is fake, but the plastic color slightly bluish less or up and down possibility. So if you see, the light color is perfect, 45 gram, light color 45 gram, even for okay 40, 44, 45, see. And this one, the both dark color, 45 gram, now it shows 45 also. So yeah, 1 gram margin we can keep it, 44, 44. Okay, even our sachet is 23 gram here. Yeah, 23 gram, so slightly 45 gram, 44 gram. So there's a one battery slightly up and down, but I consider both are real also. So this is the method. You can check the volt, and you can check, for me I don't believe much on the volt, but okay, yeah, volt is the basic, but the real stuff, batteries are, even the fake battery also can give you the real volts. So it's not only the, but the real thing is the weight for me, and if you can test the capacity in the real meter. But yeah, same thing, many people they don't have it. But anyway, if you want a best batteries, then Eve batteries, and this is 26P, this model, because Eve also have a lot of batteries. 26V, sorry, these are 26V. Okay, you can check. And now I'm going to show you another one, the light one. Do you feel any difference? Let's be zoom on the both side. This one dark, up is light, down is dark. And now you can see the quality, the printing, how you feel it. You can see a little bit difference, right? So these things are also matter, because the quality of the up is the light color. I don't know, you can check which one you feel more legit. For me, I think, if you ask me confirm, I will believe on the light color. Why? Because it's come or, but the guy selling as a second hand used one, this one new one. If you see the color here, the nickel, the metal color, almost the same, no difference here. And yeah, no big difference. But for me, I believe on this one more and this one less. But still, you can see which one you prefer to buy. So if you're going to buy original Eve battery, I think this one is the first preference. And this also, because actually I checked the both capacity. This also capacity 2500 something. This 2600, 550. Actually the real capacity 2550 milliamp, because this is 26V, 26V. Eve 18650 26V, that battery have 2550 milliamp capacity. Okay, hope you like the video. If you have any question, you can ask me. But this is the best batteries for 2025, 2026 especially, up, because this is December almost, sorry, October. So after 1 month is almost. So this is the 1000. You see the price, the quality, the brand is very reliable. You can check on internet. Eve batteries, #1. #2, the price. Price is everything. I mean, you can buy the best batteries, but price going to be like $20, $10, $5. I mean, that's the main thing. And the capacity is very reasonable, not too much, 3500. And sometimes these kind of batteries not long lasting, because very high capacity they just put inside. So for power bank basic use, I think this is the best battery for DIY. For me, I just make it this kind of. I will order one more, so I will put back. So I have 8 batteries and my own 2 USB, 2 amp, 2.4 amp output power bank. I just made it. Here is the capacity, and then I can use it and I can remove it anytime. So my batteries, my power bank have a real capacity DIY, plus the batteries have 1000 cycles, and you have the 8 battery. I order already one more like this. I want to test first. So 8 batteries give me If 2501 battery, so you can see 1 2 3 10,000 here, 10,000, 20,000 real power bank. I get it here from my home. Just I know what I'm using, I know what I'm doing, and in case if battery finished or any problem, I can just remove it. I change the new one, and I can test even my some batteries if there's a sometime, you know, some batteries they have problem. So yeah, you can choose the module online. You can just put the double tape, stick with that. Here I make it all in the parallel, not in the series. So it's the step up module, 3.7 to 5 volt out. So yeah, so anyway, that's what I want to share with you. If you have any question, you can ask me. And here is the all batteries I want to share with you. That if you want looking for the best battery, I will recommend this one, Eve battery. You can search yourself, and I think 1000 cycle, not every battery give in this price, and the well reputed brand. Thumbs up.